In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress API errors quickly and step by step. If you've ever seen a 404, 403, or REST API is disabled message when trying to access your WordPress API, don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through checking your API status, resetting permalinks, disabling plugin or theme conflicts, and increasing your PHP memory limit to resolve timeout problems. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check whether your WordPress REST API is actually accessible. Open a new browser tab and go to yourdomain.com/wp-json/wp/v2/posts. If your site is working properly, you should see a page filled with JSON data. That means the API is active. However, if you see a 404 error, 403 forbidden message, or any other error response, that confirms the API is not functioning correctly. Once you've confirmed there's an issue, move on to the next step. The second step is to reset your permalinks. This is one of the most common fixes for WordPress API errors because it refreshes your .htaccess file automatically. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Settings and click on Permalinks. Once you're on the Permalinks page, don't change anything. Simply scroll down and click Save Changes. After it refreshes, click Save Changes one more time just to be safe. This forces WordPress to regenerate the rewrite rules. Now, go back and test your API URL again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If the API error still exists, the next step is to check for plugin or theme conflicts. Sometimes a security plugin, caching plugin, or custom functionality plugin can block REST API access. Go to Plugins in your dashboard and deactivate all plugins at once. After deactivating them, test your API endpoint again in a new browser tab. If it starts working, that means one of your plugins was causing the issue. Reactivate them one by one, checking the API each time until you find the one creating the conflict. If disabling plugins doesn't fix it, switch your theme to a default WordPress theme like 2024. This helps rule out theme-related code issues. After switching themes, test the API again to see if the error is resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, the issue could be related to your server resources, especially PHP memory limits. Low memory can cause timeout errors or incomplete API responses. To increase your PHP memory limit, access your website files using your hosting file manager or FTP. Open the wp-config.php file, which is located in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Look for the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," and just above it, add this line of code. Define, open parentheses, wp_memory limit, 256M, close parentheses, semicolon. Save the file and upload it if needed. This increases the memory allocation for WordPress and can resolve API timeout issues. After completing these steps, test your API endpoint one final time by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-json/wp-v2/posts. If you now see JSON data, congratulations, you've successfully fixed your WordPress API error. That's it for this guide on how to fix WordPress API errors. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.